What's happening?
The reactor core is overloading. It's only a matter of time before it blows.
So what does that mean for Earth?
A radioactive atmosphere? Rain that kills the crops and melts your flesh? Other than that...
We're not done here. You try to stabilize the reactor. Buy me some time. I'll push the station away from Earth before it explodes. This is our last chance to do the right thing.
Shadow and Robotnik, they sacrificed themselves to save everyone.
You always have a choice.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back.